All right, so today we're going to talk about all the different diagrams that we've been talking about for the past couple of days. So sometimes looking at a diagram can help you solve ratio problems. So we're going to take a look at the example. The lemonade recipe needs 2 cups sugar and 3 cups lemonade or lemon. And then we're going to just draw this into 3 different types: the tape diagram, the double number line, and the equivalency table, just to give us an idea of what the same situation would look like by each diagram. So for this one, if I have 2 cups sugar, I'm going to say sugar in cups, and I'm going to have lemon in cups. And I can see that for the sugar, I need 2. And I can see that for the lemon, I'm going to need 3. Okay, that would be your tape diagram. For a double number line, we would say sugar in cups, lemon in cups, and then I would draw my 2 lines. I would have 0, 0, and my sugar would count by 2, and then my lemon would go right underneath, so all the tick marks line up and would count by 3s. And then for my last one, for my equivalency table, I would have 2 different columns, one of sugar in cups and one in lemon in cups. And then my sugar would count by 2, my lemon could count by 5. And remember, I can scale up. Maybe I want to multiply this by 4, 8, and 20. I could cut that in half. I could go 4 and 10. Remember, that piece about equivalency tables is you can go in any order you want as long as you keep making things that are equivalent to your original value. So the whole point of this is just to give you 2 examples to show you that really you can use any diagram that you want in these situations. So let's say a car is going 40 feet per second, and car A is going 40 feet per second, and car B is going 55 feet per second. After 7 seconds, how much farther is car B from car A? So I can say this is per second. Maybe over here I'm going to do a chart for car A. So I'm going to have feet and seconds. This is for car A. I'm going to do the same thing for car B. Feet, seconds. And so for car A, it's going to be 40 for every 1 second. And car B, it's 55 for every 1 second. Now, this is asking me to get to 7 seconds. So in my first example, if I want to go from 1 to 7, I'm going to be multiplying by 7, which means I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take that 40 and I'm going to multiply it by 7, which will give me 280 feet. The same thing's going to happen over here. When I do that, I'm going to get 385. So in this case, I used a diagram. But the question is, how much farther is car B from car A? So I'm going to do 385 minus 280 to get my final answer of 105 feet. All right, example 2, you're making a cake. You need 3 eggs for every 2 cups of sugar, and for every 2 cups of sugar, you need 4 cups of milk. If you have 27 total items in the bowl, how many eggs, sugar, and cup of milk are inside? So we talked about eggs, and it said there were 3. I'm doing a tape diagram for this one. 2, 3. And that's for every 2 cups of sugar. So for sugar, there's 2. And then for milk, oops, too many L's. They're saying it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're saying that I have a total of 27 items. So let's see how many boxes do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 total boxes. So I can think about this like this. If I have 9 total, and I want to get to 27 total, how many eggs, sugar, and cups of milk are inside? Well, let's start with eggs. How do I get from 9 to 27? Well, I'm multiplying by 3. I had 3 eggs, so 3 times 3 is 9. That means I'm filling each of these with a 3. Why? Because to get from 9 to 27, I'm multiplying by 3. So I have 9 eggs. 3 plus 3 is 6 sugar cups. And 3, 6, 9, 12 cups of milk.